wonder of self-awareness can become a paradox when we delve too deeply into internal reflection. While understanding oneself is crucial for personal growth, an excess of self-awareness can turn into a barrier, preventing our flourishing. Let's explore how this challenge can manifest, and more importantly, how to overcome it to build a more fulfilling life. Explore fearlessly. I invite you to explore the richness of your experiences without fear of judgment, even from yourself. Constant overanalysis can breed anxiety. Instead, let's adopt curiosity as our guide and embrace the possibility of discoveries with every step. Embrace imperfection. The relentless pursuit of perfection can limit us. Let's accept that we are beings in evolution, and every step, no matter how small, brings us closer to our best selves. Imperfection is the beauty of authenticity. Cultivate social confidence. Focusing too much on how others perceive us can lead to social anxiety. By freeing ourselves from that burden, we can build more genuine connections. Trust in your authenticity, and you'll see how relationships naturally flourish. Make decisions with intuition. Decision paralysis can be a symptom of excessive self-awareness. Learn to trust your intuition and accept that, at times, imperfect decisions are better than perpetual indecision. Transform self-criticism into self-compassion. Instead of being your harshest critic, be your most compassionate ally. Self-compassion nurtures personal growth and provides the necessary space to learn from challenges rather than punishing yourself for them. Strengthen your relationships. Solid relationships are built on the foundation of authenticity. By letting go of the constant need for validation, we allow ourselves to live deeper and more meaningful connections. Reclaim spontaneity. Make room for spontaneity in your life. Sometimes, the most valuable experiences arise when we allow ourselves to flow with the moment instead of planning every detail. Remember, the journey toward healthy self-awareness is a dance, not a forced march. Discover joy in the process and celebrate every small achievement on your quest for balance and fulfillment. Let's embark together on a positive and enriching journey of self-discovery.